short trip, just for 2-3 days, and make some short video like this, show what happened, why right now we are waiting our flights. Time to eat perfect Vietnamese food, healthy. After so big dinner, and when your flight a little bit delayed, especially in a 2 a.m. massage, it's so perfect time to relax. Let's make it our first day. We just arrived in Busan and it's our building for living for next days. Real Korean experience. So beautiful village. Out of comfort zone. Out of there.
It's a pleasure. Why we actually do that? It's a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you also.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So what we are doing here?
We are demonstrating the ways that you will meet different people. Usually the head.
We are waiting taxi right now.
Yeah, taxi arrived. Let's go.
Taxi right here.
Over there. Is that here?
So it's a Korean. It's a real Korean. Yeah. Barbecue evening today. Enjoy your meal. Can I create a video of this?
Yeah, these things hang. Let's see.
We accidentally find the.
But that's not crinkled. You can't see it. It's fine. It's not crinkled. Right, let's see.
It's equipment.
Do you have a shirt, like
from
a
the
really
future.
crinkly shirt? Put it in there. Where's shirt?
Take out all your clothes. You'll be straight you.
No, you're not supposed to put it in here. It needs to be straightened inside this machine. Let's see. Look at this. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Record it
How
again.
much? Yeah.
Record it again. I don't want you to record the one I take off the clothes. There you go.
Yeah.
We put the clothes inside.
It's
Then this one, right? This one is styling.
yeah,
20
I hope.
minutes, I think.
Yeah, I hope.
Go on.
Okay.
Oh, you have to press it.
See you in 20 minutes.
Makes
I will
a good smell.
just one small apartment in Busan. We arrived here with our team for a couple of days. We still don't understand why we need so big apartments, but yeah, it's beautiful view everywhere. A lot of bathroom. How it's light not work? I try.
I think it's this. We forgot to press.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, they do. It's not
Yeah.
locked.